The most important thing is to agree that you did mistakes. Because you can't say that all was well when the State Capture Commission tells you that the state institutions were captured. You can't say all was well when reports are saying that the most unperforming municipalities are also the ones led by African National Congress employees. That can't be well. You can't say all is well when there's crime at its highest, when our towns are hijacked by illegal foreigners, when unemployment is at 40% and the 60% of it is the youth of South Africa. You can't say it's well. You must say that there's a problem. You can't say it's well when the economy of the country is still in the hands of the few. You can't say it's well in the structure of the economy the way it is, because the way the economy structure is not sustainable. It's not sustainable that minorities are in charge of the economy while majorities are dying in poverty. It can't be well 8 years later.